Attorney, how do we explain this long absence of Senator Bato de la Rosa from the Senate? The last time we spoke to you, sabi niyo po, Attorney, he's still gathering facts and making himself unavailable. To this day, ganun pa rin po ba ang ginagawa ni Senator? And do you maintain that he is not in hiding?
Yes. The first rule in our life, man, is the right of self-preservation. When your safety is at stake, of course, you have to preserve yourself. And you have to be sure as to what would be your remedies if your safety is at stake. So, yan po. Alam naman natin na meron na kasing nangyari. Si Tatay Digong ay kinidnap po, dinala illegally na hindi idinaan dito sa ating mga korte. Yung experience na yun ay siguro nasa isip po ni Senator Bato de la Rosa at pinapaumahinhin po namin sa ating mga mamamayan na he has to think of his safety first. Kaya nga po nangyayari po ito. Kung klinaro lang sana ng gobyerno kung anong magiging hakbang, ano ba ang kanyang mga rights po under a certain law if he will be surrendered, baka hindi po ito nangyari ngayon.
But I recall that he also, another option that he had was to seek sanctuary in the Senate.
If he will do that, we know parang hindi siya covered ng sufficiently legally covered if he will do that.
Should he not also welcome this as an opportunity to clear his name?
No, his name is, if there are questions concerning his role in the war on drugs, everyone is welcome to file cases against him in the local courts, in the local prosecution's office. You know, we have a healthy judicial system. Our prosecutor's office is very healthy. So they can file cases domestically. The only reason why we have this problem is that some quarters, political quarters at that, are insisting that the ICC still has jurisdiction in our in the Philippine situation, where we know that the ICC has no more jurisdiction. Kung may kaso po kayo laban kay Senator Bato de la Rosa, i-file nyo dito at sasagutin po namin.
Attorney, sinabi niyo na we must take the statements of Senator Bato in context and ang magulo ang gobyerno. Hindi kaya nasa saywar lang kayo at kaya ito yung nangyayari, nagtatago si Senator, wala pa namang arrest warrant. So it kind of makes him look silly, or I mean, why is he in hiding? There's none. If there's no arrest warrant.
Ganito kasi, parang saywar on the part of the government.
Exactly.
Kasi kailangan siguro takutin si Senator De La Rosa para kung mag-file na ng impeachment against kay BP Sara, magliit-liit na yung magsuporta kay BP Sara doon sa Senado. Pero ang inaalala din siguro ni Senator Bato, what is true? What if it is true? Ayaw naman niya na mangyari sa kanya yung ginawa kay Tatay Digong, no? Kasama kami ni Tatay Digong nun sa Hong Kong may mga nagsabi kay Tatay na, Tatay, meron kaming balita na parang meron ng warrant sa iyo. Sabi naman niya, under Article 59 na I am entitled to be brought to the competent judicial authority. Hindi ginawa So, yun ang ayaw siguro ni Senator Bato. Baka hindi siya dalahin sa competent judicial authority at para na lang siyang manok at dalahin doon sa Hague, Netherlands without passing through our court. So, ganyan po ang sitwasyon po natin ngayon.